Welcome back, Crammers, to question 24. Simplify 3 times x squared times y to the power of 0. Any positive integer, no matter how big, to the power of 0 will always equal 1. Factorize x squared minus 5x minus 36. So, to do this, we have to find the coefficient of x and multiply this with the constant. So, we have 1 times negative 36, that gives us negative 36. And what we are trying to do is find two values that when we multiply equal negative 36, but when we combine, we get negative 5. So here, for negative 36, I know that negative 9 times 4 is negative 36, but negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. So these are our values. We can write this as x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 36. And notice how negative 9x plus 4x is still equal to negative 5x. We can then factorize, so we have x squared minus 9x, that's x into x minus 9. And we can write here x minus 9. So negative 36 divided by negative 9 is positive 4. So now we can combine these. So we have x plus 4, and we have this, which is x minus 9. So we have x plus 4 and x minus 9. And if we multiply out these brackets, we simply get this equation. Hence, solve x squared minus 5x negative 36 is equal to 0. So we simply equate each of these to 0. So we have x plus 4 is equal to 0. We bring this to the other side. X is equal to negative 4. We have x minus 9 is equal to 0. We bring this to the other side. X is equal to 9. So we can write here x is equal to negative 4. X is equal to 9. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.